Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, differentiation. Now let us see few more examples from exercise. Let us see question number 1. If y is equal to in square root log x plus in square root log x plus in square root log x plus and so on till infinity, then show that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x to y minus 1. So here we have y. So let y is equal to in square root log x plus in root log x plus in root log x plus and so on plus infinity. So here we can write y is equal to in root log x, and this value we can write that is y, again y. So therefore value of this, it means y plus y. Now here on squaring or squaring on both sides, we get y square is equal to log x plus y. Square of the square root, it means we will get this value log x plus y. Now therefore y square minus y is equal to log x. Now differentiate y with respect to x, because y is a function which is given in x variable, or y is a differentiable function in x. Therefore dy by dx of y square minus y is equal to d by dx of log of x. Now here we can distribute this derivative to each term of this bracket, and therefore derivative of y square, that is 2y raised to 1, that is 2y, and again we have to take the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x with respect to x, it means 1 upon x, and again derivative of x with respect to x, that is dx upon dx. Now here we got 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x dx upon dx. Now dy by dx is common term, therefore dy by dx in bracket 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x, because here dx upon dx, that is 1. Now we can shift this value to right hand side, and therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x 2y minus 1. Hence the proved. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x 2y minus 1. This is the proof of this given function y. Now let us see second example. That is, if e raised to y is equal to y raised to x, then show that dy by dx is equal to in bracket log y bracket square upon log y minus 1. So let e raised to y is equal to y raised to x. Now example is given in power, therefore taking log on both sides, we get log e raised to y is equal to log y raised to x, and therefore this power will come here before the y, log e, here to the base e is there, x log y. Now log e to the base e is equal to 1, therefore y into 1 is equal to x log y. Now here two functions are multiplied to each other, therefore we can use derivative of u dot v pattern. So here we got y is equal to x log y. So differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to first constant x d by dx of log y plus second constant log y derivative of x dx upon dx, but dx upon dx, that is 1. So x d by dx of log y means 1 upon y, and again we have to take the derivative of y, that is dy by dx plus log y as it is dx upon dx, that is 1. So x into 1, that is x upon y, dy by dx plus here log y into 1, that is log y. So here we got dy by dx is equal to x upon y dy by dx plus log y. Now here dy by dx is equal to x upon y dy by dx plus log y. Therefore we can take dy by dx as common. Dy by dx minus x upon y dy by dx is equal to log y. Dy by dx is a common term. Therefore dy by dx in bracket here 1 minus x upon y is equal to log y. Now here dy by dx cross multiplication in bracket y minus x upon y is equal to log y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y, we can shift to right hand side, y log y upon y minus x. Here we can put the value of y, that is x log y. Here by equation 1 y is equal to x log y. This value we can put here x log y into log y upon x log y minus x. So here x log y into log y, that is log y bracket square or log y square. X is common upon x in bracket log y minus 1. So here x upon x get cancelled and we got log y upon log y minus 1. So here we got derivative dy by dx is equal to bracket log y bracket complete bracket square upon log y minus 1. Hence the proved.